Hello, busy na naman kami ni Mr. dito. At ang ginagawa namin, inaayos namin dito sa parking. Nilalagyan namin ng trellis ng bougainvillea at ampalaya.
What are you doing?
We are making here. Ito ang ginawa ko. Yung alugbati natin. Lagyan ko ng trellis din. Paakyatin ko siya. And then, yan yung ginawa ko. Ampalaya natin. Ginawan ko ng trellis. Lalaki ng ampalaya natin, guys. Paakyatin ko din yan na ganyan. Ganda siya. Diba? Alugbati and tapos may ito, tumubo lang siya na sitaw. Ito yung local beans. Tanggalin natin ito. Yan. Ayan lang yan. Ganyan siya. Di maganda na siya. Tapos nilagyan din ni Mr. ng ganito dito. At nagtanim din ako dito ng ampalaya. Tumubo na din. Para dalawa yung nilagay ko. Isa lang yung tumubo. Isa lang ba? Pag ganyanin ko siya, ganyan. Salubong ko dito. Tapos yan, magkasalubong sila. Don't play this one. Put there. So we will use. Don't throw anything. This one is usable.
No, it's destructible.
Mamaya pagtapos si Mr.
Okay.
Ito, gawin ko yung be careful the ampalaya. It will hurt them. Don't hurt my plants.
How about this?
Si Mr. talaga wala siyang care sa tanim ko.
Mommy, how about this? This
Ah,
has been stuck.
This is dragon fruit.
Yeah, but
Yes.
This has been stuck.
Yeah, it's like this, a dragon fruit. It's crawl. They crawl on the rocks or something. You know. Ay, tanggalin ko. Ay, Rico. Tanggalin ko ito kasi distracted. Lagay natin dito, magagamit natin yan. Mamaya ituloy namin yung paglinis sa baba. Ay, maganda na siya. Diba? Yung ilagay nating bougainvillea, Ano pala ito? White and orange. Mix siya. Dalawang, Be careful, ha? Si Mr. talaga walang care. Ayoko bang ma-hurt ang mga tanim ko. Like yung mga dahon nila. Alam nyo? Meron pang isang hindi tumubo dito pero waiting ako. Sundan ko ba? Para anim sa isang pot. Maganda ito. Pag mag-green na siya, aakyat na silang lahat. Okay. Tapos itong rose namin, bibili pa kami ng dalawang pot na ganito. And tanggalin daw namin dito daw namin ilagay yung rose. Wish ko lang noon magkaroon ng rose. Ngayon may rose na tayo, guys. Kaso baka kung tanggalin ngayon masira ba? Ewan ko. Namumulaklak na naman siya. Okay.
Ayan din.
Masaya ako kasi yung alugbati natin and yung ampalaya late ko bang tinanim, pero okay lang yan, at least meron ba. It's too much, you need to pull there. It's too much. You need yumkin one more line like this, huh? No? It's pushing here. It's not. Ayan, namumulaklak na yung bougainvillea. Look, they are flowering. You see? Very nice, dark pink. Pusha ba? Pusha yan, no? Siya yun, what you mean? Ay, basta. Ayan, mga pinatubo namin. Meron naman so far tumubo. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Hey, meron na naman tayong 3 bougainvillea na tumubo.
Yeah.
What you doing?
This one.
Come outside. Yeah, the avocado. Look here. Oh, the avocado. They are too big.
I told you.
Alhamdulillah. Yay, that's a blessing ba?
I told you when you're planting the big pot.
Yes. Ganda na na. Very, very nice. Pero ewan ko ba, ilang years ba bago ano ang dragon fruit ba magfrutas? Ewan ko. Sa amin, sa Philippines, ang dami lalo sa probinsya. Ay 50 per kilo, 50 pesos. Oh. Dito na ang mahal-mahal, guys. Magkano yun sa peso yung $10? 500 each. But thank God we have dragon fruit soon. Maliit lang siya noon. Ganyan lang siya. Oh. Ito lang siya noon. Ay dito. Hanggang dito. Tapos nagkaroon siya ng ano. Yan oh, dumikit na siya. Dragon fruit. Dumikit. Paano ba magpabulaklak ng dragon fruits, guys? Wala, hindi. 'Di ba? Ayaw niya ng tubig. So dito ko siya nilagay, oh. No. Motor. I pump in the morning when pikaraba. Yan, you want to vlog? Ayaw na maghawak ng bata ng camera kasi since nung sinabi ko na ano, nag-shake. Hindi na daw yan.
I don't let other vlog. Look, I'm pointing at you with the stick. Let other vlog.
Nilobat na naman. You are cut. 4K. Thank you, Tuhan. Ito. Nagtatanggal si Kian ng ano dito. Damit. Sampay. What you will do? Why there is water here, Han? Since morning. Magtatapon ng tubig, oh. Ano kaya yan? Han! Tashuf! Han! Tashuf, Han! I don't know. Water is leaking. In the roof? Maybe they don't know.
Think it's the water up?
Kanina pa akala ko AC. Maybe they are fixing the roof? Okay. Wala, kanina pa yan. Nagising ako, akala ko AC, yung tubig ng AC ba? Maybe they don't know yet.
You should the tank up.
Yala.
You should
Put
the
all
tank,
here.
water tank up.
I will fix what's why. Ay, ayon. Pag may kuryente. Yala. Put all there. Okay. Mag-prepare tayo ng patata. Ito oh, sa bahay ng mga aso ba, madaming dahon. Nilinis na ni Mr. dito ba? La, Mafi. I pumped yesterday. I mean, full high the tank. Linisin muna natin ang bahay ng doggy. Ah. Ay, nalulubat na ako. Kasi marumi. Very dirty. Ano ko na isa? Saan na yung stick ko? Inside. Inside. Saan pin yun? Let's go. Nalulubit na. Ay, it's your fault. It's your fault. Hindi ko mahubo. It's your fault. Linisin natin ang bahay mo. Ganyan. Ikaw talaga po. Ikaw talaga po. Ano ginawa mo dito? Queen, don't jump. No. Stay, Queen. Don't think about it. Give me the bucket. One bucket, please.
What bucket?
I got the one for garbage.
For what?
For garbage.
I don't understand.
The empty one.
Okay, wait. Okay, no.
Where's the lawn?
Garden, Mommy. Where's the bucket of garden?
I make garbage.
Bucket. Is it in here or here? Like here or in your garden?
Mama, bucket for garbage, Papi. The white one, Mama.
Yeah? Is it a bucket of garden? A garbage. Yes. Can I join? I want to come in here the sky.
No, because you cannot stay. You cannot stay.
Quinn. No. Wow, she listened.
Yeah. You listen.
No. Quinn. No, Quinn. Quinn, no. Quinn, no. Oh, But, Mommy, I'm keeping her head so she doesn't get out.
Then keep her the black one.
I'll try to enter. Yeah. Mommy, can you touch sky for me? Yes? Am I good?
Try the one for the...
Measuring?
No.
Ah, the blue one there. Now how can I keep doing that? She won't move, okay? You won't move, okay? I'm in control now. Yay! Ah, it smells good. What's this? Make a coffee. Hello. Mommy told me to vlog you.
Okay.
Pomelo. I need to find a better place to. Another pomelo. Yo. It's kind of cramped down here. Is this another Haida? Is this another Haida? This Haida, this. Is it another Haida? Thingy? Ah.
I have two, Baba.
Oh. Okay.
You have three.
3?
One for Jiddu, two for.
Here, guys. Yeah, but that's worse.
Sure.
Nothing.
Good night.
What do you want, Quinn? Yep, no. Guys. Okay. Are you guys coming with me as well? Yeah. Okay. I'm safe. I am safe. Yes? Okay. Wait.
Ayun, tapos na ako sa bahay ng alaga ko. Si Queen na lang, ay si Sky na lang. Nalinisan ko na ang bahay niya. Wait, mama. Okay na ang bahay mo, ha? Huwag ka nang mag-ano dito, Queen. Mamaya sa'yo, Queen, Sky. So, oh, what? Yeah.
Take the handle. You see the handle how it's going?
I know.
So
I'm-
like we keep it.
No,
You
I-
have to lift it up. How about if it's in the break or not?
I'm I take the fruit yesterday.
From Hayden?
Some of it. Not yesterday,
Anyway,
before.
it's hidden by the academia. We
Mm.
need to lift it up. Heidi, we need to lift it up. Look how it's going down. It will break.
Where?
Yeah.
But then I want you to cut your mom said you need to cut the Haida and Haida this one hand. The Haida, it's not good. The Summa.
Heidi?
And then some of this one so it will fruit next year. Haida.
Summa Namin, Heidi.
Haida, it's grown alone.
I will
But
cut
it's
it
not
from
good.
down. I will cut it from down.
And then Haida, this Echidenia you need to cut some.
I
No.
cut from down. The sun will enter. You know?
It's okay. That's why. That's I'm talking.
Academia, sure.
We need to cut on top so it will keep floating, not going tree yani up. I said I need like this in the for the turtle.
How many you want?
I think 2. Maxi na.
I make like border. You see?
No, you know what I'm thinking? We can put a French egg like this, and we can put some stuff. We gain space.
If you stop, take the
No, here until the echidenia. We will make round
Heidi,
like this. egg.
I'm searching how to hide it لأنه Benton will steal it.
Put here, but you tight it. Under of Haida. And you tight. Pagluluto ko. Ay, nagluluto pala ako. And then patuloy ko ang paglilinis ng bahay ng 2 aso na makulit. Keep it hala. Don't touch. It's heavy anyway. Hidoli fruits. Keep it. We come in hon at your bag. Be careful. Look,
They
yellow.
didn't grow and we didn't put much water.
Sure, yan. It's our fault. Maafin mo.
your fault,
It's pabasulan na kanin. Pabasulan na kanin yan. Basta da ka mali ba dito siya pabasulan na. kasalanan ko ba kung walang tubig? Ako ba ang nagpo-produce ng tubig? Okay, ano na naman siya? Meron doon, Han. Look. Feed to Han. It's yellow now there. Too big. Be careful your eyes. Hanik. You see? Haida, Haida. At your head. Han.
Huh?
Good now, Haida. We come in one there. Okay.
حط هيدي
Natin ng konting dry milk. Yala, give me your plate. It's salad, but then the chicken. Yala.
But so much chicken.
You will eat salad first. Honey, wanna eat or what?
A little. That is not a apple. Bas. Bas.
Go wash your hands, hon. Ay, wash. I can see. Sorry. Hindi ko napansin. Sorry, my love. Ayan na siya. Ay, sarap-sarap. Shake, shake, makes. Okay, isang ano pa yan. Okay. Kain po tayo, guys. Super haggard ang mukha ni Ma. Ha? Hey, the one yesterday I just mix for the
يلا ماني روبري نشوف بصبح مكيف اصلا